Upgrade your home this season with the best Lowe's appliance packages. From high-capacity refrigerators to multi-burner electric ranges, energy-efficient dishwashers, and sensor-equipped microwaves. These appliance suites combine advanced technology with modern design. Each package is engineered for performance, durability, and convenience, featuring frost-free cooling, convection ovens, humidity-controlled crispers, and adaptive wash cycles. These pre-configured suites are optimized for seamless installation and a cohesive, stylish kitchen layout. Whether you're outfitting a new home, renovating, or replacing old appliances, these curated packages make professional-grade performance accessible and affordable. Perfect for families, entertainers, and home chefs, each appliance is designed to provide precise cooking, efficient cleaning, and reliable storage, all while reducing energy and water consumption. Don't miss your chance to bring home high-performance, stylish, and energy-smart kitchen solutions at unbeatable prices. Number 1. Whirlpool 24.5 cubic foot 4-door French door refrigerator and 30-inch freestanding electric range 4-piece stainless steel suite. The Whirlpool 24.5 cubic foot 4-door French door refrigerator and 30-inch freestanding electric range 4-piece stainless steel suite offers a comprehensive kitchen upgrade combining advanced technology with modern design. The refrigerator features a spacious 24.5 cubic foot capacity equipped with adjustable glass shelves, humidity-controlled crispers, and a frost-free freezer. Its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish ensures a sleek, professional appearance while minimizing smudges. The 30-inch freestanding electric range boasts 5 radiant burners, including a high-power 3,000-watt element and a 5.3 cubic foot convection oven for even cooking. Completing the suite, the over-the-range microwave and built-in dishwasher offer sensor-based cooking and adaptive wash cycles, respectively, enhancing convenience and efficiency. Designed for seamless integration, this suite is engineered for performance, durability, and convenience. The refrigerator's advanced cooling system maintains optimal temperatures, preserving food freshness longer. The convection oven's true convection technology ensures even heat distribution, reducing cooking times. The microwave sensor cooking adjusts power levels for precise results, while the dishwasher's adaptive wash cycles optimize water and energy usage. Each appliance is optimized for seamless installation and a cohesive, stylish kitchen layout. Whether outfitting a new home, renovating, or replacing old appliances, this curated suite makes professional-grade performance accessible and affordable. Perfect for families, entertainers, and home chefs, each appliance is designed to provide precise cooking, efficient cleaning, and reliable storage, all while reducing energy and water consumption. Don't miss your chance to bring home high-performance, stylish, and energy-smart kitchen solutions at unbeatable prices. Number 2. GE Pro-approved stainless steel kitchen suite, top freezer refrigerator, freestanding electric range, built-in dishwasher, over-the-range microwave. The GE Pro-approved suite offers professional-grade performance for home kitchens requiring precise control and reliability. The top freezer refrigerator has a 21.9 cubic foot capacity, adjustable spill-proof glass shelves, door storage for gallon containers, and LED interior lighting. The freestanding electric range features 4 radiant elements plus a 2,500-watt oval center element for larger cookware, paired with a 5.3 cubic foot convection oven delivering even heat with fan convection technology. The dishwasher integrates AutoSense technology, optimizing cycle length, water temperature, and energy use, while the 1,100-watt over-the-range microwave incorporates sensor cooking for consistent results. Built with durable stainless steel exteriors, all appliances resist fingerprints and scratches while offering advanced digital controls for intuitive operation. Temperature sensors in the refrigerator ensure optimal food preservation, while the range and microwave allow precise cooking adjustments. Energy-efficient components, including inverter motors and adaptive wash cycles, reduce energy and water consumption without compromising performance. This pre-configured suite ensures coordinated installation with dimensionally compatible appliances for a seamless kitchen design. Ideal for homeowners seeking high-functionality appliances with modern aesthetics, the suite balances large storage capacity, professional-grade cooking, and intelligent cleaning systems, delivering a reliable and efficient kitchen environment suitable for everyday use and entertaining. Number 3. Samsung French Door 4-piece kitchen suite with electric range in stainless steel. The Samsung French Door 4-piece kitchen suite in stainless steel offers a comprehensive and modern solution for your kitchen needs. This suite includes a 31.5 cubic foot French door refrigerator, a 6.3 cubic foot freestanding electric range, a 1.6 cubic foot over-the-range microwave, and a 24-inch top control built-in dishwasher. Each appliance is designed with advanced features to enhance functionality and style in your kitchen. The French door door refrigerator boasts a spacious interior with adjustable shelves and a dual ice maker, providing ample storage and convenience. The electric range features a glass top with 4 burners and a convection oven, ensuring even cooking and versatility. The over-the-range microwave offers 1.6 cubic feet of capacity with sensor cooking technology, allowing for precise reheating and defrosting. Completing the suite, the dishwasher operates at a quiet 53 dBA and includes a hybrid tub for efficient cleaning. All appliances in this suite are finished with fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, ensuring a sleek and modern appearance while reducing maintenance. With smart connectivity options, you can control and monitor your appliances remotely, adding convenience to your daily routine. This suite is designed to provide a cohesive and stylish look to your kitchen while delivering reliable performance and advanced features. Number 4. Whirlpool 19.2 cubic foot counter depth side-by-side refrigerator and 30-inch slide-in gas range 4-piece stainless steel suite. The Whirlpool 19.2 cubic foot counter depth side-by-side refrigerator and 30-inch slide-in gas range 4-piece stainless steel suite offers a blend of sleek design and advanced functionality, making it an ideal choice for modern kitchens. The refrigerator features a counter-depth design that aligns seamlessly with cabinetry, providing a built-in look without the need for custom installation. Its side-by-side configuration allows for easy access to both fresh and frozen foods, while the 19.2 cubic foot capacity offers ample storage space. The refrigerator is equipped with an ice maker and water dispenser, ensuring a steady supply of chilled water and ice cubes. Additionally, its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish maintains a clean and polished appearance, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Complementing the refrigerator, the suite includes a 30-inch slide-in gas range that integrates seamlessly with surrounding countertops for a custom look. The range features 5 burners, providing versatile cooking options to accommodate various pot and pan sizes. Its 5 cubic foot oven capacity allows for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously, making it suitable for preparing meals for families or gatherings. The oven's convection feature ensures even heat distribution, reducing cook times and promoting consistent results. The suite also includes a built-in dishwasher and over-the-range microwave, both finished in matching fingerprint-resistant stainless steel, ensuring a cohesive and modern kitchen aesthetic. Number 5. Midea 18.1 cubic foot top freezer garage-ready refrigerator with 30-inch electric range and 24-inch built-in dishwasher kitchen appliance package in black. The Midea 3-piece kitchen suite is engineered for durability and flexible installation, including garage-ready capabilities. The 18.1 cubic foot top freezer refrigerator features adjustable tempered glass shelves, humidity-controlled crispers, full-width door bins, and a frost-free freezer with automatic defrost, maintaining consistent temperatures across varying ambient conditions. The 30-inch electric range offers 4 radiant burners with variable wattages up to 2,900 watts and a 4.7 cubic foot oven with convection heating for even baking, roasting, and broiling. The 24-inch built-in dishwasher includes multiple wash zones, soil sensors, and Energy Star efficiency for optimized water and power usage. All appliances feature a black smudge-resistant finish for low-maintenance aesthetics and digital control panels for precise operation. The refrigerator and range include LED displays, adjustable temperature control, and rapid heating cooling functions. The dishwasher provides multiple cleaning modes, including heavy, normal, and eco cycles, to accommodate a variety of cookware and dishware. This suite is pre-selected for compatibility, ensuring seamless installation into standard kitchens or garage setups. Its combination of energy efficiency, robust performance, and modern design makes it suitable for homeowners seeking versatile, long-lasting appliances capable of handling high-demand cooking and cleaning needs. Number 6. Whirlpool 24.6 cubic foot side-by-side refrigerator and 30-inch freestanding electric range 4-piece stainless steel suite. This Whirlpool 4-piece suite provides advanced storage and cooking technology. The 24.6 cubic foot side-by-side refrigerator includes adjustable spill-proof glass shelves, dual humidity-controlled crispers, full-width door bins, and a frost-free freezer with automatic defrost cycles. The 30-inch freestanding electric range features 5 radiant burners, including a 3,000-watt high-power burner and a 5.3 cubic foot convection oven for rapid, uniform baking and roasting. Complementing the package, the over-the-range microwave offers 1,000 watts and sensor cooking programs, while the built-in dishwasher integrates energy-efficient wash cycles and high-capacity racks. Durable stainless steel finishes and fingerprint-resistant coating reduce maintenance and provide a professional appearance. Digital touch controls allow precise temperature and cook time adjustments. The dishwasher includes adaptive wash cycles and soil sensors for optimal cleaning efficiency while minimizing water and energy consumption. Pre-configured dimensions allow seamless installation for cohesive kitchen aesthetics. This suite balances large capacity storage, multi-zone cooking, and smart cleaning technologies, providing a reliable, high-performance solution suitable for families, entertainers, and home chefs seeking professional-style appliances. Number 7. GE French door 27 cubic foot refrigerator and 30-inch slide-in electric range suite in stainless steel. This GE suite delivers a professional-grade kitchen performance. The 27 cubic foot French door refrigerator features adjustable glass shelves, humidity-controlled crispers, a door-in-door compartment for frequent access, and LED interior lighting for visibility. The 30-inch slide-in electric range offers 5 radiant burners, including a 3200-watt power element and a 5.4 cubic foot convection oven with true European convection for uniform baking and roasting results. The stainless steel exterior is fingerprint resistant, protecting the finish while maintaining a modern aesthetic. Advanced digital controls, precise temperature sensors, and inverter motors optimize performance and energy efficiency. Both the refrigerator and range provide customizable settings for tailored cooking and storage needs. Pre-matched dimensions ensure seamless installation and a polished, cohesive kitchen layout. Designed for high-capacity storage and versatile cooking, this suite offers a combination of energy efficiency, durability, and convenience, making it ideal for homeowners seeking performance-driven professional-style appliances. Number 8. GE Pro-approved stainless steel kitchen suite, top freezer refrigerator, freestanding electric range, built-in dishwasher, over-the-range microwave. The GE Pro-approved suite integrates a top freezer refrigerator, freestanding electric range, built-in dishwasher, and over-the-range microwave for a complete kitchen solution. The refrigerator offers 21.9 cubic feet of adjustable storage with spill-proof shelves, crispers, and door compartments, while the electric range features 4 radiant burners plus a 2500-watt oval element and a 5.3 cubic foot convection oven for precise cooking. The dishwasher incorporates AutoSense cleaning technology for optimized cycle performance, and the microwave provides sensor cooking for uniform reheating. Each appliance is constructed from fingerprint-resistant stainless steel and includes digital controls for precise temperature, cook times, and cleaning cycles. Energy-efficient components ensure reduced water and power consumption without sacrificing performance. Temperature sensors, inverter motors, and smart wash systems provide consistent, reliable operation. Pre-matched appliance dimensions allow for a seamless, polished kitchen installation. Designed for homeowners seeking professional-grade performance with modern aesthetics, this suite offers a combination of storage capacity, advanced cooking features, and energy-efficient cleaning technologies for both daily use and entertaining. Take advantage of these limited-time Lowe's appliance packages to elevate your home with high-capacity refrigerators, multi-burner ranges, energy-efficient dishwashers, and sensor-equipped microwaves. Each appliance suite delivers professional-grade performance, advanced technology, and durable construction, ensuring long-lasting reliability and convenience. With features like frost-free cooling, convection ovens, humidity-controlled crispers, and adaptive wash cycles, these pre-configured packages provide seamless integration into any kitchen layout while maintaining a modern, cohesive aesthetic. Hit that like button if you found a deal worth grabbing, drop a comment telling us which appliance is calling your name, and don't forget to subscribe to Legit Pick for more epic packages, reviews, and home upgrade tips. Check the links in the description to see full specs, pricing, and availability at Lowe's. Grab your favorites while they last.